Hey guys, welcome back. To begin making our culotte, I've traced the back and front skirt block. So this is what it was, and I've just traced it onto paper for the back and the front. Now we're going to begin the culotte pattern proper. We'll be starting with the back, and I'm going to mark this point. So the waistline, the center back waistline is 0.0. So this is our starting point. The next measurement we're going to be taking is the body rise measurement. The body rise will be measured along this center back line, and that's our 0.1. So 0 to 1 is your body rise measurement plus 1.5 centimeter. And I'm just going to mark mine now. So whatever you have, that's what you mark. So this is my 0.1. This measurement is my body rise measurement plus 1.5 cm. Once you have 0.1, square a line to the side back of the skirt. The next number we're going to is number 2, because we have 0, 1, and 2 is the finished length of your culotte, so the hem. For mine, I'm just going to use this line as the hem. So that means that this line is 0.2. So I'm just going to write 2 here. The next number we need is 3. 3 is the measurement of 0 to 1 divided by 2 plus 1 cm. So for me, right here I have 11.5 cm. I'm going to divide this by 2, and that gives me 5.5. I'm going to add 1 cm to that, and that will give me 6.5. So I'm just going to mark 6.5 here. And this is my 0.3. Now the next point we're going to is 4, because we have 1 to 3. 0.4 is going to be taken along this line. So along this line, you're going to be measuring towards your left, outwards. The measurement is 1/8 of your hip measurement plus 2 cm. For this block, the hip measurement is 43. I'm going to divide 43 by 8, and whatever I get, I'm going to add 2 cm. Okay, so this gives me about 7 centimeters. Once you have your answer, you now need to measure that along this line, and that's what I'll be doing now. From this center back line, I'm taking 7 cm towards my left, which ends here. I'm going to just connect it with broken lines. So this is 0.4 right here. So now that I have 0.4, I'm just going to square this line downwards to meet the hem. I'm now going to join it to the hemline. The last thing we need to do for the back block is draw the crotch line. The crotch line is going to be right here. To get a nice curve, what you can do is measure from this point to 0.1 upwards 3 centimeters. So just place your ruler right here and measure 3 cm upwards. For me, I'm dividing mine because it's a small skirt. It's a small block. So yours should be 3 cm. Once you have your 3 cm line, you can now connect the points. From this hip line, I'm going to make a curve from this hip line to join this top of my 3 cm line first. And now I'm going to finish it off and connect from this 3 cm line to 0.4. That's the crotch line all done, and this is the back done. We're now going to repeat the steps for the front. So at the front, so at the waistline of the center front, we'll mark this 0.5. The next measurement we're going to take is the body rise measurement, and that will be 0.6. So your body rise measurement plus 1.5 cm. That's what I'll be marking now. So this is my point 6. The next point is point 7, which will be our hemline, and I'm going to be using this as my hemline, so I'm just going to put 7 here. We're now meant to get point 8. Point 8 is half the distance between 5 and 6. So measure from 5 to 6, whatever you have, divide it in 2, and that will be point 8. So for me, my half measurement is somewhere here. So this is my point 8. It's time to work on the crotch. We'll be going from point 6 to 9, and this will be 1/8 of the hip measurement minus 2 cm. When we worked on the back, we added 2 cm to that 1/8 hip measurement, but for the front, we'll be taking away 2 cm. So if you remember, for the back, I got 7 centimeters, and this was plus my 2 cm. So I'm just going to take that 2 cm away from this number, and that gives me 5. So I'm going to be measuring 5 cm from 6 outwards. Which is here. I now need to square a line to make that point. This is my point 9. Square it down to make the hemline.
If you're wondering why we've taken 2 centimeters from the front crotch and added 2 cm to the back, it's just because of the bum at the back. You need to have enough space to have it sit nicely.
So another thing we'll be doing differently for the front is the measurement you're going to be taking here to get your curve line will be 4 cm. So you're going to measure upwards from here, a straight line 4 cm. That will serve as a guide. Once again, I'm dividing mine just because this is a small block. If I was making it for myself, I will use 4 cm. Now that you have your guideline, you now need to connect point 8 to this part, and then from here to 9. That's the front culotte all done. As you can see, it's one of the easiest things to make. The only thing you'll be changing is the hem if you wanted it longer. But this is... And that's it, guys. This is what your culotte should look like. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.